Hey folks, I am going over the water and pH reinforcement worksheet from last night. That was your homework. Okay, so number one is pointing to the oxygen. So that would be a slightly negative side. Number two is pointing to the hydrogen. So that would be the slightly positive side. Number three is the hydrogen bond because it's pointing to how these two water molecules come together through a hydrogen bond. Number four is pointing to how oxygen and hydrogen attach together through a covalent bond. Okay. The next part, from 5 to 9, you had to say whether it's true or false, and if it was false, you had to fix it. So 5, a mixture is a combination of two or more substances in which the substance retains its individual characteristics. By definition, that is true. 6, a suspension is a mixture that has uniform composition throughout. That is false. That is described as a solution. 7, in a mixture, the solvent is the substance that is dissolved. That is false. It's solute. 8, a mixture of sand and water is a heterogeneous mixture. That is true. They say separated, so it's considered heterogeneous. 9, a suspension is a homogeneous mixture in which the water is mixed with a substance that does not dissolve in it. That is false. It is heterogeneous, would make it true. The last section is about acids and bases. Substances that release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water are called acids. The more H ions, should be H plus ions, or just H ions, I guess that works, a substance releases, the more acidic the solution becomes. Substances that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water are called bases. Acids and bases are key substances in biology. The concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution is called pH. Pure water is neutral and has a pH of 7. Buffers are weak acids or weak bases that can react with strong acids or strong bases to keep the pH within a particular range. So 10 acids, 11 hydrogen ions, 12 bases, 13 biology, 14 pH, 15 neutral, 16 buffers. And that is the homework review.